Okay, it is 6:04 and we don't have anyone logged in yet, but we're going to go ahead and go through the information and welcome to ITC 3306. We are at the end. So we've made it. The end of the course is now in sight. Let's look at what we covered since our last session. We covered memory management schemes that are used in current operating systems and different memory management allocations in virtual memory. We took a brief look at memory management that was used in early systems. We covered RAID, not the bug killer, but using independent disks and the different levels of RAID and how you can use the independent disks to store your data. Some of the levels, RAID 0, which actually isn't a true RAID because there's absolutely no redundancy. And of course, we talked about which level everybody thought would be the best way to go. We covered storage allocation methods, different ways of mapping your data to storage blocks. We looked at operating system parts and processes. We looked at the 5 main tasks of an operating system and what all areas of the operating system are involved in each of these tasks. There's the tasks are process management, memory management, file system management, device management, and network management and security. And of course, each one of these tasks involve different parts of the operating system, like process management, heavily involves the operating system's CPU, for example. So those are the basic things that we have covered since we had our last virtual session. So what's next? In our upcoming unit and last unit, we will look at operating systems, including operating systems other than Windows. In most of your assignments, you've had maybe an option to choose a different operating system, but by and large, most everyone's information and conversation has centered on Windows, and it is the most widely used operating system. But as IT professionals, we'll be expected to be familiar with more than simply Windows, actually, or even simply Mac or simply Linux. Even though the majority of business organizations still primarily utilize Windows, some do not. But the thing is, some organizations utilize more than one operating system. So if you're going to be in the field of an IT professional, you're going to be expected to know about more than just one operating system. So in this unit, we will learn about some different operating systems. We'll discuss the advantages and disadvantages of Windows, Linux, and Mac. And in the unit assignment, you will imagine yourself as a system administrator and pick your favorite operating system. Of course, that's easy enough, but you will have to explain your reasoning. Now, this last assignment is due by Tuesday, November 2nd at 11:59 p.m., of course, Central Time. And please remember that Tuesday is the last day of the class. So, unless you have made prior arrangements with me or have some other arrangements in place, assignments will not be accepted after the close of the last day of class. So it is important that you get this last unit done on time. I didn't change the slide. I'm sorry. So, is that all? Almost. If you've not already done so, please be sure to get enrolled in your next CSU course. In the event this is your last course before graduation, congratulations.